Wahiabe dene. Itwe do hia fefefe. Edoni ro wa kewene risi. Kenire wi mngai Nigeria. Kewene were buebo. Wahiabe dene. Edeno gbera mana we bien so no kan Edo. We na gmedo he we na ti Edo he. Enime ogio he ya le kosa aga howa. We na yagme abidi hebe do ma we derio. Hunda ka ro ni ne akin we na yagme ni o wa he. Akin we na ya na he. We na ya na ni ebi no so mi no. Hunda wa ma na ne ebe se odo gme mi no ma wo no gme. De wa ma gwa na ne ni odo gme ni o no ma gba. Ami wa no ma wo e ni kwaki no e na yagmo he. Oni ma we derio. Edene na ma we wo we manya we wo no ma no ma sikodawo na ge oku na do twe ekebe otu na to ebe oyi keka we di agbe ba van ba kota ma wo ni edene oku na do twe ma to edo o watan woto wa ge ma setting we for dokpa da o e no so mi e no ni manedo na wa be wa o welcome to the program. This is Edo language teaching and Edo language learning. Yeah, the other day we did the basic thing, the alphabets of Edo language. We call it ABD. Okay, we went through that because it is important for us to know what we are doing by writing or by speaking, how we do it. So that is why we went to the alphabets. And we saw how we joined them together to make names or to write words. Okay? So that's where we stopped that day. If you have forgotten, you can refer to our last video on Edo language learning. Today we are going to move forward. We are going to go to names. But before we get to names, we would like to talk about the common greetings in Edo. From the common greetings in Edo language, we'll go on to the special lineage greetings in Edo language. The lineage greetings are something that's so important in the Edo culture, Edo cultural values. Because by the lineage greetings, we are known who we are and where we come from. Thank you very much. I will be interpreting a little in English so that people who want to put it together, who want to be reminded about the Edo language, they can begin to put it together. But all of us have to learn together. Thank you very much. Naka kaya swan, ita abana ma do gwan kan e no uku na twebedo. Uku ni ma twebedo. Mind to learning, e only get gwan kan e we na ya twebedo. We na ya twebedo uku na twe ni okpewi ni ki o. But twekeka, ko keka. Ni ma kan tuwe do na tuwe wa ko we ge ni ma ge ka you know kan u ge o be na ma agmo yiwa na we ordinary greetings o tuwe na tuwe keka o kwa how ordinary greetings o tuwe na tuwe keka just you know how to say hello. You know, anybody you can say hello to anybody, you can wave your hand. But I think to koyo a to ma keka na digwe otu hunai koyo. You also say koyo to plural wa koyo. Ko is the shortest form of koyo. I think of my call. So I don't know why I call. Well, I don't to you or who to your go. Call, who's set and what call. So, why I don't why I will call who will call you. Or give up bar, or I can not to know why no here no why a Roma, Yoma, or not Joma. Oh, where Domo. What did you baba buy? What did you buy? Domo baba, domo ye. Okay, when you greet elders, you don't just say koyo to elders. I mean, it's not respectful enough. In Edo cultural milieu, we value respect as a strong cultural value. Respect. So when you greet an elder, you better greet the elder in a proper manner. You say, Domo. You greet my father or my uncle or a senior brother or somebody I want to respect. It's Domo. Koyo is very rare when you are greeting an elder. Very rare. Alright? But you can say Koyo anyway. Then you move on to, after elders, you move on to good morning for everybody. I will tell you one Domo. If I no one Yoma, Yonre, Yamawe, I ain't to obey you, by it. Good morning, ordinary, Obowe. Obowe is good morning. Then you have the afternoon greeting, different from morning greeting. It's good afternoon will be Obavan. Avan is afternoon. Obavan. You see it? Obowe for morning, Obavan for afternoon. Then you have evening greeting. You don't continue to say good, same thing. Say, oh no. In the evening you say good evening will be Obota. Ota area woman, Obota, Osiwe, or twin, Obota. If I saw Betie Bota, Bowie, only even go over already. Why ain't you don't want a well, but a Bota, who all Bota. I have to know Wabota. Avano, Wabava. You in plural. Wabava. Oh, we know Wabo, we plural. Anyone no better, pardon. Wadobo. What anyone no saver, better ever. If I high, you know, Wadomo. Who shut and what up? Only the man where Urio one don't whine, any whining. Wadomo, Wakoyo, Wakoyo. Who shut and what up? Wakoyo. If you came in and do ta, and I will have yo, as yet and what up. While it be so where he said, Mountain info, who shut and he said, only also so. Only also he said, Wakoyo, Wakoyo. Wadobon, Wadomo. Wabowe, I trade new wine, Wabowe. You don't greet elders Obowe for good morning. No, no. You say Domo, Domo. Then we are coming to the special greetings of the lineage. But you say Domo, he is an elder. Like your father, your mother. You don't just say Domo and standing up. It is not acceptable. It is not acceptable. In Edo language, in Edo culture, in value, you bend your knees. If it is your father, your mother who brought you to this world, you must kneel down, go down for your parents. You go down for your parents. Your knees on the ground, on the floor. Your two knees on the floor. If you are greeting a chief, an outstanding personality in the community, you go down on your knees. Elders with gray hair, you go down on your knees. Domo. Domo. If it's a chief, you go down on two knees. Your parents, you go down on two knees, not one. Watu baba era, igwe weva waruto. Watu iwe, igwe weva waruto. Watu ni wana fuede, igwe weva waruto. Uhoa. Do what? You need to get this clear. It doesn't mean you are worshiping human beings. No, no, no. It only means you are respecting them in the light of their importance in this world. God made them your parents. God made them elders. God made them chiefs. We cannot change those things. Good evening. Obota. For plural is wabota. All right. Watch out. Watch out. Goodbye. When you say goodbye to somebody, you say, Okien. Waga zekbe. For short. Wayan tuamana. Okien zekbe. Ọ̀kín azẹ́pẹ̀ pẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ewé náà jẹ́ mi ní kàó yẹ ọ̀kín wàrà zẹ́pẹ̀. Màgà ìfẹ́ kàn wá awẹ́ ọ̀kín azẹ́pẹ̀. Ọ̀kín azẹ́pẹ̀. Ọ̀kín azẹ́pẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀mẹ̀nẹ́mẹ̀ wà kí wọ́n ìwẹ́ ọ̀kín wàrà zẹ́pẹ̀. For plural, it will be wàkín zẹ́pẹ̀. Wa. For plural, you're talking to 3, 4 people. Wa. 2, 3, 4 people. Wa. Wa. Kian zekbe. For one person, or kian zekbe. In rewriting, you can say wa or kian wa zekbe. If you are writing the do, that is the proper thing to do. Wa kian you talk. Uwe or kian wa zekbe. Ida ya bun. Ọ̀kín azẹ́pẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ gí àtàbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀. Dẹ́gẹ̀ ọ̀kín ògùẹ̀ for good night. Good night ọ̀kín ògùẹ̀ níbà. Good night is ọ̀kín ògùẹ̀ is morning. We'll see in the morning. We don't say you see in the night. Ọ̀kín ògùẹ̀ we see in the morning. And then for plural you say wà kín ògùẹ̀ for plural. Wàkín ògùẹ̀. Good. How about welcome? That's a simple greeting. Somebody is coming from anywhere. You say welcome. In Edo culture, we say welcome several times a day that we see somebody returning from somewhere. Returning from school, returning from farm, returning from market, returning from church. You say welcome. You don't just open the door, the person enters the house and you'll be looking at the person. It is not acceptable. Oh, ha, koere, agbobokane. Even now, kedi agbobokane, esco kedi agbobokane. No one la wa, abandete, obokian, oh, agbobokane, or we welcome, obokian. Okian means walking, good walking. Good walking, you walked well, obokian. For plural, you say wa obokian. Wa obokian. You are welcome. You are welcome. I hope this is clear. These are the plural. Wa koyo, wa domo, wa bowie, wa bavan, wa bota, wa kian zekbe, wa kian owie, wa obokian for hello. So I hope you will be able to greet that from tomorrow on to your friends or colleagues or elders. And the way you greet elders shows the way you respect them. Okay, we don't greet elders standing up. You bend your knees. If they are your parents or chiefs or high-ranking people, you go on your 2 knees. And let me say this. When you go on 2 knees to greet a person in a Edo culture, because of the value we have for people, the person you are greeting on your 2 knees will come to you. If he's strong enough, he will come to you to lift you up. To lift you up. And when we say linear greetings, you don't say linear greeting by standing up. You go on your knees to say the linear greeting. And when you do that, the person you are greeting will bring you up. And will not only bring you up, I will tell you that now, he is going to praise you. And he will praise you like he's praying for you. All right? Okay, let's go on to linear greeting right now.